video. Today I'm going to show you how to just fix a CPU which one works. My old CPU. So yesterday I was trying, actually it was working well, but today it just messed up. What's the reason? So we're going to check that out, what's happening inside there. So for example, I'm going to show you that nothing works here actually. So now let's see, let's turn on my PPS. So let's go. As you can see, nothing works. I don't fucking know why. I want to turn some, my speakers get on, but the thing with this doesn't turn on. Maybe it's because it's too old. But we know how to fix it. It's installed a Windows 10 yesterday, and I don't know what the fuck is wrong now. Maybe this caused something, but not really. I'm sure that it's because of the dust right there. So let's see if something goes wrong or not. We're gonna head in there. See you soon. Open this thing very huge. Okay, so I already unscrewed it. We have it here. Now all you gotta do is take this off. Oh my god. Oh, my sweet cutie teddy. Okay, stay there. Well, turn around and open it. Wow. No, there can be too much dust there. So let's just set up a field to lay down the dust, giving a special place dust. There we go. I got my papers here. Okay, so the papers are here. So guys, we're back and we can beat this beautiful CPU out there in the paper. So we just set up a field. So let it stay here for a while. I'm just going to clean it. So now time for inner one. Woo, looks too big, but okay. Too much dusty out there, as you can see. So now I'm going to take something which helps me. A paper, a cloth, like this, or it can be this, no problem. Yeah, because I'm just showing what can be usable things at your home. You just can't find something like the scrub cleaner or washer or something like that. But no, we're gonna just use this. Or you need a big brown stick. Okay, not that. So let's go for a small one right now with the paper. Oh, you think it's not usable, but okay. Let's see with the cleaning cloth. So all you gotta do is first rub your processor thing around it, surround, just surround. All you gotta do is wipe your hard disk, wipe it back here. That's good. Alright. Now, actually you must do it for 5 to 10 minutes so it can be prettier. Now get a paper. Fold it like this. Take a sharp edge. Pick this up. Now hold your fan, rotate it. Clean every mid part of it. Oops. I'm gonna take your time for that. So hey guys, I'm just cleaned everything. So what I got here is, my god, look, I got too many things. Oops. There's too much. There we go. I found something. Well, this is my old CPU. Now my new one's sitting down there. It's good. But here, what we just saw is these old computers have a processor which is fixed to the board like in a parallel way, so you cannot really fast rotate it when you're cleaning. If you do, then it may not turn on. So be careful. Make sure you just rotate like this and clean one side. Rotate like this and clean one side. Make sure don't do like and clean it. Not to. So and now the motherboard time. Okay, let's take the paper. Put a graphic dot. Just be careful while you do that. So put it on here, just like that. Put it on here, just like that. Put one here, just like that. So what we got is more dust for sure. Oh, there we go. It's hiding. Big buffer. Come on. Oops. Every of my dust is clean. Oh my god. Now time for other products. Okay, you don't really need this paper then. So I'm gonna take a soft cloth and clean it all around my CPU. So it's like this. Okay, I'm trying to fit. Now, the time for your power supply. So what you can do is don't really open the power supply, but just wipe it on the corner. So as you can see, okay, it really cannot turn the flash on, but okay, maybe that can be helpful there. Wait, I'm going to show you them. So now I'm back with the light. Okay, let's turn it on. It's not turning on. Oh, I hope my light turns on. Come on. Yeah, ooh, it does. Okay, guys, so I guess you can see that. Is that effective? God damn it. Well, not really that effective. Well, let's turn off this light for a while. Okay, really not effective. But hope you can see the thing right there. Wow. Now it's time. I'm clean everything. I got 2 hard disks. It's really, oh my god, this old CPU got 2 hard disks. I guess I need to remove that because it's not really in use. So anyone willing to buy, come on, contact me. Okay, not really. Well, I'm gonna show you. So guys, now I'm back with my normal way of spraying on the CPU. So now give a blow, a hard blow. Make sure you cover your face. Oh, my goodness. My badness. Damn, my camera's gone, I guess. Well, you had to blow like that, but make sure I told you to cover, but I didn't cover. Okay, I'll just give a blow all over here. Now I gotta go to shower because you seriously need to go to shower. Because rubbing this hot shit CPU. Oh my god, the old CPUs are really tangible because the wires here are just you know, like they didn't really arrange it. Oh my god. But that's how I do, guys. I'm going to show you if it turns on or not. But sure, I'm sure it will turn on. To get no control disk errors, we just have to tap the RAM. Make sure it's all fix it tight. Just fix everything tight. A little bit. Good. Works. And also fix these things. Better. Make sure the SATA cables are all tight. And the hard disk. That's good. That's good. Better. Oh, yes, everything is done well. Wait a minute. Make a little blow. Just everything as it is in the position. So let it be. SATA cables needs to be fixed too tight because it's always just comes out when you just close your CPU. So make sure you make it tighter. Oh, better. Now let's go and turn it on. Everything. Let's go and turn it on. Just there. Somehow IPS turn on. Let's go. I hope it turns on. It should do. That's good. There we go. Woo! I'm excited to see my old computer work again. I wish it really worked faster. Just make sure the fans are working. Oh, okay, it works. Oh, there, okay. Nice. Nice. It loads. It's the latest. Oh my god, that's great. It works. It was actually working yesterday, but I don't know what's wrong with it. It just didn't work again for me, but that's great. It actually works again. So my Windows 10 can be used with my both of the computers there and here, so that's great. Nice. Oh. Oh, nice. Okay, it's great. That's great. Everything is working well. Now, as you can see, I'm gonna show if anything doesn't work. Of course, like some people might expect nothing might work like this, like that. So let's see if anything works or not. So I'm gonna open this. It's nice, sweet. That's great. Everything is working well. Nice. Nice, that's great. It looks good. So thanks for watching the video, guys. We'll be back in the video. It's actually my computer really not really that good anyway, but we'll make it work something more better. So if you have any problems, just give a comment there. I'm sure I'm gonna reply to you all. And of course, mail us if you have any queries about this things which are related to computers and gaming. Not really other things. So really, guys, if you have any queries, please hit us on freakygamer313@gmail.com, and we'll be able to help you with it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Thank you. Peace.